Step number 1. Determine your why. It's important to have a strong why to starting a business. While making money is one motivation for any business in and of itself, it's not enough. Having a strong why in addition to money, it's important for a few reasons. First off, making money with a business takes time, and while you're in the lean season, if you don't have a deeper why as a foundation, you will give up. In addition to that, at some point, money loses its luster. Your why gets to the heart of what you're trying to accomplish as a result of your business. For me, it's freedom and a way to provide and care for my family. Having the type of business that I have gives me the freedom to work ahead of things, and it also gives me the freedom to travel. I can work super intensive at something, then in a different season can work less. In addition to motivation, knowing your why helps you to know which opportunities to say yes and which opportunities to turn down. For instance, in one season of my business, I want to use my income to pay off some personal debt. The deep reason for that had to do with my big picture reason being freedom. Knowing how paying off debt will give me more freedom, I took on some demanding client work for a season, and it provided me with additional income to pay off the debt. Freedom now means being able to unplug and work part-time for a couple of months. Now let's move on and find out how to find a profitable niche.